Hey guys, good evening. It's Monday again, and one more session of an interesting AMA we're gonna have. It's been a very, very interesting weekend, guys. I know a lot of people would have been following what happened, but it's been one of the most exciting things that have been happening in the recent days. Now, I know a lot of you people would have so many questions in your mind. Um, on what's happening, why is a lot of things are happening, even what has suddenly happened to Trump. no Not suddenly, I should not say that. We all knew that this is what was happening, but interesting things have happened in the last 2 days. When I want to put it in the words of Eric Trump, Donald Trump's son, when the traditional markets were sleeping, Donald Trump had to give us some really, really interesting announcement. Now, this is very interesting. The markets have reacted positively. The markets are very, 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 very bullish now. If you notice, there are a lot of interest for the 100K levels again. Now, does this come in as the solo event that is going to happen? No, we're going to talk about more. That is the heading of today's AMA. That is the next critical event that is going to happen. That is the crypto summit that is going to happen in the Oval Office, which is very important, guys. Let's definitely discuss about that. What is going to happen leading to March 7th and beyond that? Let's talk about that. And definitely, there is enough and lot and more to discuss about Trump's announcement yesterday. Uh, Now, it's much more than announcement. What he did in Truth Social, supporting a big laundry list of cryptos. We never expected that he would give so many names. I got really excited after seeing this, guys. Hi, Master. Good to see you here. You're one of the first guys to come in. Good to see you here. Let's just wait for a couple of more guys to join in. It is one of the most exciting weeks we are in. With an exciting thing that has happened, obviously. I'll definitely talk about that. I'm not going to leave that. Uh, I know even you guys would have been following what has been happening in the market. Last month, at least, or the last 30 days, has been a pretty tough market. BTC at least this week, did not outlive a lot of our expectations, right? It kept going down. We were really worried what is the bottom it is going to touch, though there were strong supports at 82 K levels, but it kept reeling, giving out a lot of worries if a lot of more people will be thinking at cashing out and sending the BTC prices even below. But what we saw was a very exciting thing, right? What we saw is something that we did not expect could happen. Uh, we got something very, 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 very interesting. Uh, the people are calling it the Trump's put now, right? Incidentally, earlier I remember they used to call Alan Greenspan. Whenever the U.S. markets are looking in trouble, Alan Greenspan would come out, make some announcement, make the market look good in U.S. Right? So it was called the Greenspan's put earlier. Now, looks like the US president seems to be the biggest uh, 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 catalyst for the crypto markets to keep moving. We all knew that, but somewhere in between, we kind of started feeling a bit bad that even after so many things happening, the markets were still looking red. Still, a lot of sell-offs were happening. There was a bit of fear, or a lot of fear in the market, seeing that the prices were crashing. It touched 80K, uh, though it recovered post that. But what happened beyond that? Within a day, zooming from 85 to what we are at 93. That was pure play magic, guys. That was pure play magic. Now let's welcome a few more guys who come in. Master player 3R, green market. Yes, yes, it's green all the way, guys. So let's just hope that there's a lot of interest in 100K, guys. If you notice, futures and derivatives market, a lot of people who have made calls at 100K. I'm hoping, and there's an interest that is gaining. A lot of contracts at 100K are gaining. So this is a very good indicator that when the market expects something to happen, usually it happens in that way. There is a good indicator that we could be looking at 100K soon. It's a great news after seeing 80K, guys, a market which has just done 10 percentage and more hike within a matter of a week. Now that is just crazy, right? I know that is the craziness because of which we are all in the crypto space, but definitely I would be saying to a lot of people that rather than being worried that the prices were touching 80K, it would have been a good time for a lot of people to buy at those prices, especially those people who missed getting into Bitcoin at that price point. Now, it is not just Bitcoin, guys. We have a lot of other tokens which have also done good. Now, Master Play 3R, is the bull run begins, sir. Market dump with Trump, pump with Trump. Yes, the Trump is called, now it's called the Trump put. Trump is making sure that the markets don't go below, and he's just pushing the markets up. Now, is it a single event? Now, let's just think it through, guys. Now, we are sitting on March 3rd. This event happened. The market has gotten positive sentiments. It is going to be followed up with the March 7th, the crypto summit that is going to happen in the Oval Office. Now, that is again, I'm definitely expecting a couple of more, news to come out, which is going to create a good sentiment in the market. Now, for all those people who've been waiting, saying that, hey, what is happening to the alt season? Looks like Trump has taken it in his hand. And he gave out a big laundry list, guys. I hope you all saw the his particular communication that he gave in Truth Social. I mean, if you guys did not see it, I would really suggest you guys to go see it. Now, couple of more questions. Is the bull market, as the bull market begin, Master Play 3, I think we are in a different bull market than previous. Earlier, I know people have been, it used to be up for at least 3 to 6 months, and then little corrections here and there. We are in a different scenario here. It looks like we are going in for a longer market, which is going to be in a bull phase. Now, if it is a longer market, it's going to be in a bull phase. You're not going to have this sudden ups, and ups. There's going to be an up correction, like once we are seeing it. And it's majorly going to be driven by US and especially Donald Trump. Now, when this particular incident is going to be followed up with March 7th, that is very critical, guys. I'm just reiterating this fact again and again. You have one more news or a good event that is going to happen, which is going to be a good news generator that is going to happen as we are talking. A lot of people in the crypto space could be preparing for what to talk in the March 7th crypto summit that is going to happen. And these are all key people. Now, obviously, you guys would know that, there is a working group committee that has been created under David Sachs for Crypto on AA. Is called the Crypto on AA czar. So he will be, it's a working committee that they've created, which is focused on working on regulatory approaches for cryptocurrencies in particular and AI. Now, this is going to be significant. Now, one question we had was, is this group actually going to do something? It looks like the president is even more active than the group even. So definitely, I think a lot of things are going to come into play. In the weeks before, we noticed a lot of communications coming on. The US government going to be working on the stablecoin regulation soon. Now, that is something that is very, very important. As stablecoin regulations are going to be pushing the market cap or the overall value logged in the crypto ecosystem to great levels. This is actually a potential use case that has been accepted and agreed by a lot of traditional banks as well. So, yes, when the working group starts working on each of these use cases, we're definitely going to see a market which is as better, as good as this, or even better than this, guys. Now, Rajan, how BTC pumped suddenly. Rajan, while we were all sleeping, Trump had a different plan. I think that is how BTC pumped suddenly, Rajan. It's good to see the excitement there. Altcoins are green. Altcoin season. Karthik, now I would put it this way. Now, whatever Trump can do to push an altcoin season, he's done it. Now it is about how additional funds have to get into this ecosystem. So usually how an altcoin season begins, Bitcoin will have a prolonged rally and people will think that, okay, let me invest more funds into altcoin so that I need more returns. Now BTC had been having an unstable journey. Now if the journey of BTC continues along with post March 7 or the march towards March 7 and post that the BTC holds with little corrections, I think we are seeing a good altcoin season. He gave a big laundry list. He spoke about XRP. He said that the crypto reserves that the US government will be looking at will be even XRP, will be even Cardano. Uh, what else? What else? What else did I miss? What else did he say? What else did he say? XRP, Solana. Yeah, Solana. How did I miss Solana? Solana has has been excellently doing as a very good competitor for Ethereum. I know a lot of Ethereum hodlers still could be in a lot of pain uh, because the pump that happened in Ethereum was not as much compared to other tokens. And when you compare it with BTC and considering 30-day performance of Ethereum versus BTC, Ethereum has still not performed as much as the other tokens. But Ethereum is a very, very long term play, guys. Ethereum has been performing even during those times when BTC was not performing. So Ethereum seems to be having a different rally than everyone else. Uh, that yes, it is a bit of a worry seeing the way the price of Ethereum is moving, but it also looks like a lot of people are betting on other tokens to keep pushing up, especially Solana. So Solana looks pretty interesting, and more bullish sentiments have come into Solana, guys, which is very, very interesting to see. So all you Solana hodlers, I think you're definitely having a great time. So yes, Karthik, that's my thing. We'll have to see how BTC stabilizes. If BTC stabilizes for the next 2 to 3 weeks, we are looking at a good alt market that could begin. Now let's just keep our fingers crossed and hope that a lot of good news keeps coming. March 7th, yes, we are expecting a lot out of the crypto summit that is going to happen. Now see, guys, it's a first ever summit that is going to happen, especially dedicated to crypto. It does not happen. Something like this is very, very significant, right? Summits happen to hear industry, summits happen to solve industry's problem post that. So I'm definitely expecting a lot of interesting communications to come out on the day of summit and post summit. A lot of things could happen even. So we are having a lot of ammunition that is left. So I'm expecting it to be a really, really good next couple of weeks at least. And the next 2 weeks are going to decide how great of an alt season we're going to have, guys. So I'm excited. I'm continuously looking into charts. I'm seeing if there are not many people who are going to sell off and push the prices down. Let's just hope it doesn't happen this time, because the last week we definitely saw a lot of weekends selling it off, trying to cash in. But now we have a very, very strong communication that has come out, guys. Now, yes, now though Trump had announced about the strategic reserve, I'm holding all these tokens. There, it is not still a straightforward thing. It is still has to cross a lot of hurdles. But looking at Trump, everything seems to be possible, guys. It is just our imagination which seems to be the problem, not what Donald Trump can imagine. So my bet's on him. He has been doing what he's been saying. Now it is about us that how patient we can be to let him do what he wants. He said that he will do. So fingers crossed. Next 2 weeks are really critical. Define if there's going to be a great alt season ahead. But if you guys have already made a bet saying that hey, it is going to be a great one, I think that it's time to pick up a lot of gems which are lying out there, which could start pumping, right? So, Garden Resort, good to see you here. USA buying crypto even if they put a public statement or any update about our country, India. Not getting that. But still, it's good to see. It's crypto is global, right? So if one large country does something positive to crypto, the price are going to go up, and we all are going to benefit, right? So let's not worry much about India at this point in time. Hey, Master, what's your prediction on March 17th? I made it clear, guys. So on March 17th, when you're going to see a lot of interesting things that's going to keep happening. Post March 7th, there's going to be a lot of news that is going to keep coming out. Whatever said and done, Trump's office and Trump, they're really good news generators, right? And someone like that coupled with crypto, I say it's a wonderful combination, guys. I'm crazily excited. I'm going to be closely watching every story that's going to keep coming out now. So my prediction after March 7th is definitely leading towards March 7th. There's going to be a build-up on prices. And post March 7th, with a lot of communications and news that is going to keep coming out, it's going to be a good rally even post that. Now, when that rally sticks, I'm going to be looking at a good alt season, guys. That is what I'm expecting. But yes, I didn't expect the last week's the dump that happened. That I didn't know that the markets were not looking strong, but I didn't expect it to go this bad, right? So it's a really, really interesting market. No one can predict it perfectly. You're your best judge. Uh, I'm just saying what I feel that could happen, guys. Aaron, definitely, I'll ask my team to look into it. They've definitely been looking into a lot of tokens and trying to list it. I'll definitely ask them to keep looking into tokens that you're suggesting as well. Garudan, is there any QR code feature to receive payment in Giottus? I mean, deposit. See, you can, your deposit address is given in the form of a QR. You could use that to receive payments. But Garudan, think about it. I'm still not sure if we are in that stage yet. Think about taxes. I know I'm not sure if it will be a really profitable one for you if you receive it in crypto because of the taxes, right? Straight 30 percentage and then on conversion 1%. Cess also included. So yes, at this point in time in India, I don't think it's a great idea, man. But you think it through. Okay, Garudan has got more questions. Is there any Giottus reserve of coins? We hold our own reserve, obviously. We have our own treasury. Uh, as a company, we have our own holdings on a large set of cryptos, and we do also take care of our treasury management. Yeah, we are. You can consider us fully in crypto, right? So yes, Giottus already. Yeah, we hold excess treasury with us, and that is our treasury as founders, even which is with Giottus. Rajan, any thoughts about meme coins? Is that the end, Rajan? How do I put it? See, meme coins are gambles, Rajan. I don't see it as an end. There are going to be a lot of tokens which are going to keep coming in. The previous ones keep performing every now and then. But these are gambles, Rajan. I don't have any particular fundamental to say that. See, for example, for BTC, I can say that, when Trump supports it, he says that he'll put it as a reserve token. And when a lot of other institutions see this as a positive note, they will start holding it as a reserve token as well. They will start using it as an investment as well. So that's one of the use cases. I don't see it in the meme token, right? Meme token is more of your bet that you're taking. It's a gamble, right? I don't see any point that is against meme tokens or for meme tokens. Meme tokens have always been the same, right? The craze has always been the same, and definitely yes, the Trump coin and Melinda coin did take a toll on the meme space. Though it created a lot of excitement, I think it also took away quite some liquidity out of other tokens as well. So, according to me, it did more bad than good to have launched the token at that point in time. So, yes, it's a gamble. No one can be a better judge apart from you that how much you want to gamble. Master Play 3, any quick pick of coins on the current market conditions? Um, okay, it's interesting. So, I'll put it this way. Now, any token that you, apart from meme coins, right, guys, which you think there would have been a good investment to have made 2 months back, 3 months back, which is not a meme token, all those tokens are the right set, right? Because the prices have corrected. If things work out well, the altcoin season will start. I think it is time for you to think strategically, keep looking at the BTC price movements, and see what are all the altcoins you're going to enter into now. I think this is the time that you can pick up jumps because if the rally starts, it's going to be tough for you. So since I'm with an exchange, I cannot give you token names. But yes, obviously, what should I give a name? Looks like the US president is giving out names, giving or leaving less work for other players in the market to suggest you tokens. The president is giving token names, and if he enacts what he said he will enact, well, those are all gems, yeah, that we have missed them. Futures, any update? Yes, Master, thank you. I think you guys have been relentlessly asking me about futures. I've been very, very cautious about futures in particular. We're there. We are in our final phases. I will come to you with the communication by this month, right? I will definitely let you guys know. I know this is a great time to launch futures. We are on it. We are on it. We are in the final stages, right? We'll definitely be opening up to a lot of people for beta. If people are interested, do let me know. I would definitely pick up a few from my AMA to be part of the beta for futures. And yes, we will be looking at futures soon, guys. Right? I know it has been delayed. I know we took our time. We definitely focused on launching a good product. I do understand other platforms have launched. There are a lot of issues that people are talking about. Usually, when we launch a product, we make sure it's not very glitchy. So that is what we're working on. We're ensuring that you get a best product that you can do futures in India. So it is almost through. Just give me this month. I'll come to you with a very good communication, guys. Aaron, thank you for noticing it, Aaron. We've done a lot of multilingual videos, which could help you guys in a lot of your investments and also knowing. We have been the platform who's always supported being a multilingual platform so that everyone in India can feel it as a platform which is for them, right? We want to give the comfort that every customer in India deserves. We are the only platform, guys, currently or at any point in time support Indian languages like Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada. We do support Bengali as well, and a couple of more languages for customer support. And we're the only guys who give a phone support, guys, that you can pick up the phone, call, and ask for the language that you would require. You don't find it at any other exchanges, guys. So why we do it? We do it to make sure that crypto trading doesn't feel tough for you, right? You should feel at home when you're doing a crypto trade. That is our major belief, and we are investing a lot in that area. And I'm happy that you guys are able to see that. Thanks, Aaron. Thanks for that feedback. You really made my day. So, guys, that's my bet. I'm really, really bullish for the March 7th. There are a lot of key people who would be attending the event. These key people definitely have a lot of interest in the market moving up, and we can hope those interests turn into prices appreciating. There's a lot of reason for this to happen. Now, see, even someone like Ripple, right? We have noticed all the troubles that they had with SEC, but they've been fighting it out and they've been coming out of it. Last 1 year has been actually great for Ripple. Now, they definitely have a lot of things to sort out. That could be an outcome as well. Now, we definitely know a lot of tokens, ETF is being raised. A lot of tokens obviously have also gotten a green signal. So we might also see a lot of ETFs that are taking shift, pushing ahead in the coming days. That is also a positive movement for those tokens as well. And the stable coin regulations, I'm very bullish that there is going to be one of the first ever regulations in the crypto that is going to come out. With stable coin regulations coming out now, guess what's going to happen? A lot of traditional funds are going to be moving into crypto for fund movements and for other remittance and other activities. That's a good value locking that is going to happen, guys. That's going to have a great effect on other cryptos as well. That's my big bullish bet that I'm going to have. I'm going to be tracking even stablecoin regulations closely as when they keep coming out. I'm expecting that to have a close rally with other cryptos as well. Aaron has got, okay, thank you, Aaron. I got a feedback sometimes price expired when the market is pumping. Sure, Aaron, sure, we'll do that. Now, since the market is pumping, it also gets into a tricky situation of we'll have to define the prices properly, especially in the easy buy, easy sell, where it's a one-click buy and sell. But we'll take care of that. We're definitely working a lot on that. We've improved, but still there's a lot of space to improve on that. Karthik has got a comment. Karthik is saying liquidity is improved in Giottus. Good move. Thank you, Karthik. I'm very happy that you're noticing all this, guys. It has been an amazing session that I've been having. I'm seeing a lot of people pointing out a lot of positive things that they're liking in Giottus. I'm happy and hopeful that a lot of others who are viewing also can take these feedbacks about Giottus, because we've been working relentlessly to ensure that this bull market is going to be a very great experience for you all in Giottus. Uh, there is a lot of work that has happened. Even the charts, friend, guys, I'm not sure if you notice the charts now. Charts are much better than what is previous. You can do a lot of your analysis in charts now, but still more updates and upgrades are coming in charts as well. Now, there's a lot that's going to happen. I could give you a lot of preview, a lot of exciting things are going to be coming up in the app as well, which is going to help you make your decision, keep you be in top of the news that's going to keep coming out. So a lot of exciting features they're going to keep coming out. I'll be happy to keep talking about it during my AMAs. But having said that, it is really exciting. It is really encouraging when you guys notice this and you say that we've noticed it, right? Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for doing this. We are more energized. It gives us more energy to keep working on things and giving it to you and getting your feedback again. Okay, now thank you, Master Player 3R. More USDT pairs needed, champ. Yes, Master Player 3R, we will be on it. You will get more USDT pairs. We are working on further integrations. You will be getting more USDT pairs. You will see the difference within a month as well. Vanita B, why price difference between Indian and international exchanges? Okay, so this is a common question that keeps coming in, Vanita. So think about it this way: most of the crypto is not mined in India. Most of the crypto is mined outside India, right? So the supply of crypto is less in India compared to outside, right? The supply is less here, but the demand is more. Since the supply is less here, the demand is more, people charge a premium here in India. Now, tomorrow, when you have your BTC and you're selling at 2%, 3%, 5% than the international markets, you might think that, why should I do it? I'll sell it in the market price. Would you do it? You will not do it. It's a supply and demand scenario. And exchanges cannot really define the price here, because if I keep the price high, another exchange might be keeping at a different price. For example, if you think exchange is playing a role, then arbitrage players will easily make sure that the prices stabilize, right? There cannot be a large difference in prices across Indian exchanges. Arbitrage player will make sure the prices stabilize, right? So it is more about supply of cryptos in India being less. If tomorrow a lot of you people think that it's profitable and start mining cryptos or start staking cryptos and get a lot of yields, then the prices here would also come down, right? When the supply increases, the price are going to go down. That is a straightforward reason, Vanit, sorry. I mean, Vanit B. So that's quickly from my side, guys. I'm more excited. Yesterday's news has been just amazing. It's not just Trump. I mean, it was interesting to see even Eric Trump's post, where I mean, Eric Trump, the son of Donald Trump, where he had posted saying, "What a move!" Wherein when the traditional markets have been sleeping, Trump had made this announcement. I mean, see, I don't hear this. I mean, I would have never dreamt of hearing this from from a from a government or people who are close to the government, which is as big as US. Such comments, posts, communication, this is crazy, guys. We are living in a situation or a scenario which is much, much, much better than any other scenario crypto has ever been. And I'm feeling very excited to be having an entity which is related to crypto at this point in time, right? This will be a crucial time for crypto. Even maybe 10 years down the line, we will be talking about what happened this year, guys. This was a crucial year when it all started, is what we will be talking about. Rajan, mining, is it legal in India? Mining is legal in India, Rajan. You just have to pay your taxes properly and then you can mine if you want. The only thing is it profitable in India? Does the electricity rates, does it make it profitable is the question. But if you have a cheap electricity, yeah, mine it, man. You can, but again, you have to pay 30% taxes, and I don't think you can minus the mining electricity cost in that as well. So yeah, you have to have a word with your auditor. It's only about profitability. It's not about legality. Legally, you can do it. It's a software operation. The country doesn't stop you from doing a software operation. They just ask you to pay your taxes, right? And with that, does it make it profitable? Is something that you'll have to see. It's not just taxes. Even electricity rates are not really favorable in India to have a good return. So wonderful, guys. It's a great week. It's a great AMA. It's a very, very exciting AMA that I've had, guys. A lot of things that are looking positive. I think I'm gonna start this week with an amazingly positive note. I'm gonna be seeing the markets and charts with an exciting view every day now. Uh, I think the fear that what we had last week, uh, if the markets are going to touch a lot of lows, I think we can keep that aside for some time. Right now, we have another event which is also going to come, which is going to stabilize this excitement that has created. So let's just wait for that. So yes, with that note, it was great connecting with you all. Thanks a lot for the feedback. I'm taking the feedbacks also, guys. With this note, I'll be happy to connect with you all next week, same time, Monday, 6 p.m. You're going to have an AMA with me. I'm Vikram Subraj, founder of Giottus, signing off for this week. Thank you, guys. Have a great week.